Excel working with tables. Hello and welcome to this week's LCS Hints and Tips. Today we're returning to Microsoft Excel 2013 and looking at how you convert data in a workbook into a table. So here in this example you can see we have all of the sales for week commencing the 20th of April. We have the salesperson, the date of the sale, the department, hardware, software, consultancy, etc., the value of the sale, and this particular spreadsheet actually calculates 10% commission based upon this value. So this information is pretty bland and it's not easy to read or summarise, and of course it's not sorted into any particular order. So to convert this into a table, you simply press highlight any of the cells and click Ctrl T, and it will then bring up the table window for you. You can then select the default, which is the entire data set, or you can just simply click on here and highlight the area that you want to convert into the table. Alternatively, you can simply click the Insert tab to bring up the Insert ribbon and click on Table, and it will do the same thing. So I'm going to select the entire table. You'll notice now it's done a number of things. First of all, it's changed the style for me, and I can choose my style from a number of different options. So here you can choose the style that you want. So let's go down and have a look what else there is. I quite like this particular orange style, so I'll select that. You can then tweak the design further, so you can add or take away the header row. I always like to keep the header row, it's very useful. We can add a total row, so it'll total at the bottom and highlight that. And we can also decide whether we want to have banded rows or not, or banded columns. So we can have banded columns, we can have banded rows and columns. We can highlight the first column, we can highlight the last column. So I'll go for that, and I'll just keep it like that and have all of the functionality in there. Now you'll also notice what's happened is that this table has automatically added some drop-down functions here. This is to allow you to sort the data into order or to select the data via using a filter. So let's say we want to sort the salesperson into order. So click that, sort A to Z. You can now see we've got all of Amy's at the top, followed by Andrew's, followed by Eric. Now, what if I wanted to choose a particular date of sale? So I can do the same thing. This time I'm going to select Date Filters. There's lots of different operands here, equals or before or after a particular date, between two dates, tomorrow, etc., etc. But I'm going to go for equals, and I want to see the sales for one particular day for all people, so I'm going to go for the 22nd and click OK, and there you can see all the sales on the 22nd by salesperson, and it's still listed in A to Z. I can go from Z to A, and Tracy Brown is now first and Amy at the bottom. Now the other thing that's very useful about when you create a table is that normally when you have a large table like this and you scroll down, the columns at the top here disappear. But with a data table, they're maintained automatically, so no matter where you are on the table, you can always see what column relates to what piece of data. Now there's much more to learn on tables. We've really only scratched the surface today, and we'll be covering that in future topics. But I hope that this helps to enhance tables, helps to enhance how you produce reports for yourself or for management, and I look forward to bringing you some more hints and tips in a not too distant future.